Continue across much of the south. So here's a view of New Orleans in the area. We're seeing a nice wide swath of rain that's going to be pushing through the area. We had some showers that pushed through New Orleans. Now we're just seeing some cloud cover across the area. We do have a flash flood warning in effect just a little bit further to the west. Big picture here, we're seeing a lot of showers picking up. It's a lot of moisture in the atmosphere that's going to be tapping in to some of that tropical moisture. We're seeing high pressure steering that moisture a little bit further towards the coastline as we get into tomorrow, and that means more chances for thunderstorms as we get into this weekend. So today, here's a look at the scattered thunderstorm threat, and tomorrow it doesn't change all that much, except now we're starting to see the first signs of some severe weather inching closer and closer towards the southeast, but it misses it. It actually heads a little bit further to the north, but we see more moisture spreading across the area as we get into Saturday. Sunday, we finally see a few more breaks in the area, stretching from Atlanta to Charleston. We might see a few more sunny skies popping up a little bit. So as far as how much rain we can expect from now through about Sunday night, we're still looking at a good soaking of 1 to 2 inches for the most part. Heavier spots are a few spots like a little isolated at about 3 to 5 inches. So there's not that many, but almost everyone's going to see at least 1 inch of rain. And as far as the forecast goes for 4th of July, that's a big question happening right now. Saturday, Sunday, that's when you have the best chance of seeing those thunderstorms. Monday, sunny skies, and then Tuesday we do have some clouds across the area for Atlanta, but other than that, we're seeing a temperature right around 91 degrees. And just ahead on what. Thanks so much for staying with us for Weather Center Live. I'm Liana Brackett.
And I'm Chris Warren. We're tracking once again a dangerous storm threat this afternoon, so we're not going to waste any more of your time. We're going to get right to it with storm specialist Carl Parker, who joins us here in the lab going over the latest, very latest information. And Carl, is there anything right now that's catching your eye, or do you think we're still kind of on the front end of things?
Well, yeah, there is.
Let's go ahead and take a look at the forecast for Indianapolis. So we start off with Thursday night. We have those severe thunderstorms picking up. They can be severe at times. Friday, we have more hit or miss natured thunderstorms popping up, and then they have the solid chance of thunderstorms continuing into Friday night and again Saturday morning. So temperatures stay very warm in the 80s, and it's going to be a very humid feeling air mass as we have a lot of tropical moisture lifting up from the south, and all this moisture is going to be guided along this cold front that's going to be pushing all across the area. Upper level winds will continue to add lift, and it will instigate more thunderstorms. And again, we have that chance for severe. This is the best chance of seeing the strongest damaging winds, the largest hail, and possibly a tornado as we get into this red area. So Springfield, Oklahoma City, Chicago, Detroit, Indianapolis just outside of that. So you're just a little too close for comfort, and I wouldn't discount a chance of seeing the more severe side. Saturday, that threat continues to march east. Now we're looking at Vermont, New Hampshire, parts of New England in that threat, and then much of New York and Pennsylvania as we get into Saturday. Now Pittsburgh, we're looking at your forecast. As we get into Friday night, we have more thunderstorms picking up in the afternoon, evening hours. They continue into Friday night with an overnight low of 70 degrees. Saturday, those thunderstorms continue with a temperature around 80 degrees. Again, very humid feeling. Then we lose that chance for thunderstorms, and we just see a solid chance of rain picking up by Saturday night, and that temperature dropping down to 64 degrees. So a little bit cooler as we see that cold front push behind it. Now, from now to Saturday night, this is how much rainfall we can expect. Pick your spot and you can see how much rain. We can see almost an inch across the entire region, and about 1 to 2 inches in the heavier spot, 3 to 5 in some spots. Stay with us here on Weather Center Live.